Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 18. This is Section 2.1, Problem 18. It says, draw a picture to represent the fraction 2/5. So what we have to do is draw a picture that is split into 5 parts, 5 because the denominator is 5, and then we want to shade in 2 of those parts because the numerator is 2. So the shape that you draw the picture doesn't really matter. Some people like circles, squares, rectangles, any of it's fine. So an easy way is to make a rectangle. And again, the denominator of your fraction is how many parts that your shape is split into. So 1, 2, 3, 4, the last one will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can shade in any 2 of those parts. So it's sort of natural to shade in the first 2, though you can shade in the last 2, the first and the last, some combination of any 2. As long as you shade in 2 of them, that would represent the fraction 2/5. And it doesn't have to be a rectangle. You could try and make it a circle. That would be maybe a little tougher to draw, but let's see how evenly I can split this into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just pick any 2 and shade them in. That'd be a different way of representing the fraction 2/5. They're both good. One is no better than the other.